Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So I know this is a Willys, and but I don't know which year Willys this is. So here is the back of the card before we unbox it. So it says the Three Stooges Curly. So I don't know much about Willys, but let me open and see how the casting actually looks. It is a bit heavy. So I recently saw a clip from the Three Stooges. That was really funny. So the exact time I bought, without knowing, the Three Stooges mentioned on the side, I bought this casting. So I bought it for a bit relatively cheap, maybe around 600 or 700 around that range. So I mean, I didn't even think about. I do love old classic cars and muscle cars and all, so I bought it. Okay, let's unbox this. Again, I am not going to use any knife for this. These things are relatively easy to open. Okay, and I'm really happy that I can just put it back here like this. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Okay, the casting actually looks really solid, and you can see the Three Stooges. I think Curly is the character, if I'm not wrong. You just let me know, guys, because I actually saw the clipping in iFunny, so I don't know anything about the characters or anything. So it's just a funny clip I just saw sometime back. Okay, it has headlight detailing to it. It is painted, and you can see the air intake here, and here also it says on the hood the Three Stooges, and it has a paint bubbling issue here. So I'm thinking this casting is relatively very old. So it has interior detailing to it. It looks really nice, and it has sunroof. I was not expecting that, but it is there. And even on the rear, you can see this. I don't know who this guy is, but his face is there. So I don't know what this is supposed to be. I was just checking it out just to see if it is plastic. I don't think it is plastic. That is just molded in the metal. Okay, so this is 1933 Willys. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully metal. It's a full metal casting, and the wheels are actually plastic. I don't know how they're misaligning the tires and the rims, but I'm really glad they actually are going with two separate pieces, like the rims and then tires on top of it. Unlike Matchbox or Hot Wheels, they just do it in one single piece. So this is really nice, and it has tail light detailing as well. It is painted out. That looks really good. So let's weigh this casting. What is 6 grams? Not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Even though the tires actually doesn't fit the rear wheel really well, it does roll really well. I mean, it is really fast and smooth as well. That honestly, that is better than Hot Wheels, if you ask me. I don't know if I can correct this. I don't know how to break it. Okay, let's rate this casting. So again, the paint issues are something specific to mine, so it might not be on the others. I mean, even here you can see on the fenders there are some paint bubbling issues. I don't know why my camera is not focusing really good today. You can see here a lot of paint issues. See, I'm thinking this is a see this particular series is a very old series. That's what I know about this. So I'm thinking this casting is very old casting. Let me see in the card what year it is. I'm hoping that this is mentioned. So it is mentioned as year 2000 here. You can see. So it is something like 2010, 2020, more than like 25 years old. So I'm not going to complain about that. So I am giving a 10 out of 10 because it has all the details and it is a full metal casting. And I mean, and it even rolls really well compared to most of the Hot Wheels nowadays. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.